King Theron sits upon his throne, his visage an emblem of unyielding authority.
His voice echoes throughout the throne room, each word a decree of iron.
Courtiers stand frozen, their faces etched with terror at his every utterance.
Prisoners are dragged before him, their fates sealed by his merciless judgment.
The throne room bears witness to the ruthless efficiency of a king known for his cruelty.
Amidst the clamor of the slave market, King Theron surveys the masses with a calculating gaze. His eyes halt on Alara, a woman of quiet dignity, her sorrowful eyes reflecting a deep inner strength. He nods to a guard, sealing Alara's fate as just another possession in a swift, heartless transaction. Ilara serves King Theron with gentle grace, attending to his needs. King Theron is taken aback by Alara's quiet dignity and tender care. He watches her kindness towards the other servants, a stark contrast to his own harsh rule. A flicker of doubt crosses his face as he starts to question his own actions. King Theron strides through the royal gardens, sunlight casting shadows across his troubled face. Ilara approaches, offering a vibrant flower, a symbol of hope. Your Majesty, I believe even the smallest act of kindness can bloom into something beautiful. Kindness, a rare commodity in these times, Alara. Tell me, what is your philosophy? Alara's voice rings with conviction. To meet every challenge with compassion, Your Majesty. For, in helping others, we help ourselves. King Theron now sits upon his throne, embodying patience as he listens intently to his subjects. He delivers judgments with fairness and extends mercy, surprising his courtiers. The courtiers watch in astonishment, witnessing the transformative power of kindness.